Down to like 90 pounds. I literally lived on Zofran because I couldn't function. And grocery shopping, I mean, my husband had to come get me out of the grocery store because I got so disoriented in there, I couldn't even check out or drive myself home. And I'm now pretty much functioning normal again. I mean, nothing medically has really worked per se, and my heart rate could not come above 40. I literally thought I was going to die. But I think the problem is each doctor was trying to diagnose in their lane and not realizing that a lot of these things were connected. I don't think I was battling anxiety originally. I know some of the doctors were trying to say that. I think it came from not being able to function. I would have like full-blown panic attacks trying to go out there to even lead worship because it took every ounce of energy I literally had. I'd gotten to where I couldn't drive anymore. I couldn't really do a lot of the day-to-day stuff that I need to do, take care of my kids, stuff like that. I've definitely seen an improvement for sure. I mean, again, like I said, I couldn't even hardly drive myself here in the beginning, and the fact that I drove here, you know, like doing all the things I'm doing, it's just way different. I mean, the first time me and her came here, I couldn't even go in the restaurant to eat. Like, I was so sick, and she was like, you have to come in here and meet me. And I was like, I physically cannot sit in there and try to eat, make myself eat, you know. And so I don't know, looking at that versus, you know, last night we went to eat, like we all had a good time. For the past 3.5 years or so, my symptoms have just gotten worse and worse, just chronic nausea that no one could figure out, any doctors. And then I started getting dizzy to where I would pass out. And so they kind of diagnosed me with like dysautonomia, different things, spots. And I ended up finding Dr. Berner on Instagram and was seeing a lot of the patient stories and stuff. And I was like, wow, that sounds a lot like me. We booked a trip and came up here, and I got adjusted, and I'm now pretty much functioning normal again. I mean, I have, you know, some off days sometimes, but for the most part I can drive, I can, you know, get up and do all the things that I need to do, clean my house again, you know, just normal activities without having just, you know, downright terrible days where I'm in the bed for, you know, a week at a time and just not able to function. I'm eating, gaining weight again, which has been a super good thing for me. Because I had lost, like, I would think I was down to like 90 pounds and just not able to, again, do daily activities like normal people do. And so this has been a really great experience for me. I lead worship at our church, and it was getting very taxing. Like, I would have like full-blown panic attacks trying to go out there to even lead worship because it took every ounce of energy I literally had. I'd be done for after that was over. So pretty much I couldn't even really work, like do my job at the church. I run all the events and coordinate all of our services and everything. And I was pretty much just able to do Sunday morning, and I'd be